Hello you guys, welcome back to our channel, you awesome people. For the past 4 months, my wife and I have been frequenting the Mesa Nature Reserve, and it has become one of our favorite biking spots. In this video, we will show you our 6 reasons why you should also visit this place. I am Joseph and this is my wife Glenda. Join us as we show you our amazing experience. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. First in our list is to get to experience nature. It is imperative for us to go out at least once a week and breathe fresh air and get rid of our stress.
Sinama nga nila ako, sabi niya, sir, mag-isa ka lang bababa, oo, tapos first time mo pa. Sama ka na sa amin para may guide at tama-tama kasi sabi niya, yung dalawang kasama rin daw niya, first time din. Tama. Kaya
riding drops. Steep descent and bunny hops. Fourth is you improve your cardio and elevate your stamina.
sayang. Gaano katarik to? Yun o.
Fifth, safe from sideswipe accidents. Since you are in the middle of a rainforest, you're only competing against yourself. Your own skills is all that matters here. There are no PUJs or buses around you, but in case of an emergency, all guide crews are equipped with two-way radio to inform this rescue vehicle. But you also have to prepare yourself for a sudden shift of weather, and when it does, it really pours.
Oh, bait ng kalikasan. Hindi ba sarap na mababasa yung short mo? Ingat ha, madulas sa kamay. Madulas sa kamay, ingat ha. Oh, 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 oh. Nakakawala yung pagod ko, ulan. Hello. Dito na kami sa Via Lago. Dami oh.
And last but not the least, you
Nag-video
get to
pa
meet
kami.
new friendly
Ito yung
people.
mga tao ng budol sa amin, no? Sa amin, sabi, banayad ride eh. Nakilala dito sa
Shout out to
La Mesa Nature
Carla,
Reserve.
Bianca, and Ramon.
Sir Ramon and Ma'am Carla.
So that's it mga kapadyak. If you want to see this beautiful place flourish for a long time, let us all work together para magamit pa ng ibang henerasyon. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out any of our videos. Thanks for watching guys. See you guys next time. Peace.